Fresh, hot pizza is really tasty and a lot of fun to bake. Here is our recipe for making the perfect Margherita pizza on the planet. Let's cook it together. Mix the yeast with the warm water and the sugar in a large bowl. Cover loosely with plastic wrap and let rise in warm place for about 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, add a sift flour, salt, mixture with yeast, olive oil, and stir until a soft dough forms. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let your dough rise in warm place about 1 hour. Start preparing the filling. Fill a frying pan with a mixture of light olive oil. Add chopped onion, garlic, tomato paste, some water, dry basil, and stir until cooked. Turn the dough out onto a well-floured work surface and knead, adding flour as necessary until a silky but soft dough forms. Bake in the preheated oven up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius on the center rack for 7 minutes. Slice tomatoes and grate hard cheese. Brush all overcooked pizza dough with olive oil. Add the mixture with tomato paste and sprinkle with grated cheese. Put the chopped tomatoes and mozzarella on your pizza and bake for 20 minutes or until the crust is lightly browned and the cheese is bubbling. Decorate with fresh basil leaves and enjoy the taste of homemade pizza. We also have a wide range of delicious recipes. All you need is to subscribe and cook with us.